Hey, this just in. Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, on my channel at Car Count Hackers, I just released a brand new video and I want you to go over there and watch it. I'll link it up here in the card. It's all about how you can fix your car count in, well, let's just say a day. And it's not even going to cost you a dime. I promise. This is a strategy that I shared with a shop owner when he contacted me. I sent out an email to my subscriber list, and there was a struggle with several of the people and responded to me, and they're saying that, you know, in between seasons, how do I fix my car count? Because, you know, the winter season's over, the spring tire season hasn't got here, and, you know, there's questions like, how do I get my car count fixed? So I want you to head over to youtube.com/car count hackers. I'll put links in the description down below, and go ahead and subscribe. That way you'll never miss a video that I upload on how to fix your car count, grow your car count, your income, and your profits. Look, I like to tell shop owners that you fix the cars, I'll fix your car count. But wait, there's even more. Over on my brand new Facebook page, I'll put links to that down below. Go ahead and follow me over there. That way you'll get the newest releases before anyone else. You'll know what's coming before anyone else because I drop update videos there on a regular basis. What's coming up next week on Car Count Hackers, we're going to be talking about things like turning customers or price shoppers into customers. What about getting paid? I know, you know, you don't let a car go until it's paid for, but there's always one or two that sneak by you, and then you can't collect the money. I'm going to give you the tips and strategies and how to do that. And on top of that, I answer a subscriber question that addressed a comment I made early in an earlier video where I talked about doing more offers. And there's just a whole lot of that. And oh yeah, almost forgot. I'm just about ready to finalize and release everything on my brand new training course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days. I'll leave a link to that video down below. Come on over and subscribe to that course. Really, it's a full-blown course. I think we're up to 15 or 16 videos. It's all no charge. Well, there's one little catch. You knew there had to be a catch, right? I'm giving you free access to this entire training course. No charge, no tricks, no gimmicks, except I only ask for your response in return. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't, tell me what I covered well, tell me what I could cover better. So go ahead and do that. Head over to Car Count Hackers, and I'll link up here or in the descriptions down below. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.